What if that's all wrong? Or at least not the whole story? What if that forbidden fruit, the one everyone's been so afraid of, could actually be a secret weapon to help bees thrive? Because some fascinating new research is flipping that old idea completely on its head, suggesting bananas could be lifesavers.
Okay, so before we get to the cool new stuff, we really have to unpack this old fear. I mean, why bananas? What's the deal? Well, it all comes down to some pretty interesting bee chemistry.
So the culprit here has a fancy name, isopentyl acetate. We'll just call it IPA. It's the chemical that makes a banana smell like, well, a banana. But here's the crazy part. For honeybees, that exact same chemical is a major part of their alarm signal. You know, when a bee stings, it releases the stuff to basically scream help, attack, to the rest of the hive. So you can see the logic, right? The fear was that a banana is like a false alarm that could send the whole colony into a defensive panic.
And look, that fear isn't totally baseless from a chemical standpoint. But here's the thing. Bees are dealing with a much, much bigger threat than a stray banana peel. And that threat is starvation. With modern farming and less natural habitat, there are these long stretches of time, beekeepers call them dearth periods, where there's just not enough food out there. That's the real crisis that researchers are desperately trying to fix.
And this is where our story really kicks off.